Hi guys, welcome back to WPS. Today I want to show you how to convert the PPT to video in one step in WPS Presentation. Sometimes we want to show our PPT, so we have to tap the click button on the slideshow. Converting the PPT to the video can reduce our work. We can make it play automatically and will keep on. This is one of the most basic functions that we often need in school or office. So, let's get started. First, look for the option called Tools on the top menu bar. Click on it. And now you can see all the choices you can use under the Tools bar. Then, click on the video exporting. And you can also change the location where you want to save. Click the Save and waiting for it. Now, we can check the video. With this simple step, you can easily convert your PPT to video. Try it now. That's it for today's WPS tutorials.
Thank you for staying with WPS, and we hope to see you next time. Bye bye.